साजिद अली।
Hello. Yes.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Apurvalika.
Sir, your voice is not very clear.
Not very clear.
Yes, sir. Your voice is not clear.
Not very clear. I guess,
Another type of sound comes from your mic, sir.
okay, let's see. Okay, fine. How about now? Is it better?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
All right. तो मैथमेटिकल फॉर्मूला है नहीं दोस्तों, एक मैथमेटिकल फॉर्मूला है, और वो मैथमेटिकल फॉर्मूला क्या है कि वर्ब में एस जोड़ते हैं। क्या जोड़ते हैं? एस जोड़ते हैं।
Yes.
कब? जब सब्जेक्ट हो ही, शी, इट, राइट?
Yes, sir.
जैसे ही गोज, ही लिव्स, ही हैज, ही डज, कोई भी वर्ब बोलना है उसमें एस लगा के बोलना है, ओके? और जब क्वेश्चन, हेलो सना बेटा, नौशीन, महफूज, टर्न योर कैमराज ऑन एवरीबॉडी।
सर थोड़ी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है सर, इसलिए आप करके
महफूज, तबीयत ठीक नहीं है? क्या हुआ बेटा?
तो थोड़ा हेडेक हुआ और फीवर आया।
ओके, एंड यू आर अलोन?
जी सर।
आई सी, आई सी। Sana beta, please turn your camera on. Sana is the new student. She is the sister of an old student here, Atif. Sana, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
No, not you, Atif. Another Atif sister. I have another Atif Iqbal, and Sana Iqbal is his sister.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sana, keep your camera on, beta. Yes.
Good afternoon, sir.
Hello, Abhishek. Good afternoon.
Good
How are you, Sana? कैसी हैं आप?
Good, sir.
Good. आप आतिफ की छोटी बहन? Are you his younger sister or older sister?
Younger sister.
Younger sister. And whose photo is there on your Telegram? I see a kid's photo.
मेरी आंटी की बेटी है.
She is your auntie's daughter. She's your cousin.
Yes.
Okay, nice. So, are you a student, Sana?
Yes.
What do you study?
Graduation.
Have you done your graduation or you're still doing it?
नहीं. Done. Completed.
You have completed your graduation. Very good. And what subject did you study?
Botany.
Botany?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you studied botany. And very good. So, हम लोग कल वाली बात को जल्दी से फिनिश कर लें. Okay. Anshu, Suhani, be on camera, please. Yes. Okay. The sentence what I was teaching you yesterday.
Good evening, sir.
Mathematical बना देता हूँ ताकि सब लोग के दिमाग में चला जाए.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Anshu beta. जब सब्जेक्ट ही शी इट होता है, जैसे ही शी इट अगर सब्जेक्ट हो तो वर्ब हमें एस के साथ बोलना चाहिए। जैसे ही गो नहीं बोलना चाहिए, ही गोज। ही ईट नहीं बोलना चाहिए, ही ईट्स। ही डू नहीं बोलना चाहिए, क्या बोलना चाहिए?
He does.
डज। ही ही हैव नहीं बोलना चाहिए, क्या बोलना चाहिए?
He has.
He has.
हैज। ये सारे में हम लोगों ने क्या किया, वर्ब में एस ऐड कर दिया है ना, वी
Yes.
एडेड एस। लेकिन जैसे ही नेगेटिव बनाना, सेंटेंस बनाना चाहें तो ये एस माइनस कर देंगे, वापस एस हटा लेंगे। ठीक,
Yes, sir.
वर्ब में से एस हटा लेंगे और वहां पे डजंट लगा लेंगे, क्या लगा लेंगे?
Doesn't.
Doesn't.
डजंट। और अगर क्वेश्चन करना हो तो एस हटा लेंगे फिर से और डज लगाएंगे सब्जेक्ट के पहले। कहाँ लगाएंगे डज?
Subject
के
से
पहले।
पहले.
और तिकड़ी बना लेंगे, तिकड़ी बना लेंगे। जैसे डज बाबर अली, डज बाबर अली टीच हिज विलेज चिल्ड्रन? डज बाबर अली टीच। अब मैंने डज बाबर अली टीच क्यों कहा है? क्योंकि हमारा सेंटेंस है बाबर अली टीचेस। बाबर अली टीचेस,
Teaches.
यही है ना, बाबर अली टीचेस। तो टीचेस में से एस हटा लिया और कहा डज बाबर अली
Does Babur Ali teach?
ओके। तो एक कोई भी वर्ब के साथ हम कर सकते हैं, ऐसा एक वर्ब के बारे में नहीं है, दो वर्ब के बारे में नहीं, कोई भी वर्ब के साथ ये नियम अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। और इससे ये पता चलता है कि अगर हमें नहीं पता है, हम डायरेक्ट पढ़ रहे हैं इंग्लिश में कुछ या सुन रहे हैं, तो हम समझ सकते हैं कि ये वर्ब है अगर ही के बाद बोला गया है एस के साथ। जैसे अगर मैं कहूं ही कंस्पायर्स, ही कंस्पायर्स, तो ये सुनने के बाद ही कंस्पायर्स आपके दिमाग को आना चाहिए कि अरे ये तो लगता है वही फॉर्मूला है, ही है, वर्ब है और
He
एस
is
है,
conspire.
वर्ब है और एस है, ही कंस्पायर्स। तो अगर हमें नेगेटिव बोलना होगा तो क्या कर देंगे?
He
ही
He
doesn't.
doesn't conspire.
डजंट
He doesn't.
कंस्पायर। वो एस हटा लेंगे, फॉर्मूला फॉलो कर देंगे, मीनिंग चाहे जो भी होती हो फर्क नहीं पड़ता, राइट? कल कुछ लोग मीनिंग को लेकर
गुड
के
इवनिंग
गुड
सर।
इवनिंग इम्तियाज। कल हमारे कुछ लोग स्टूडेंट्स मीनिंग को लेकर उलझ गए थे कि मीनिंग नहीं पता तो कैसे यूज करेंगे। कर सकते हैं, आप देख रहे हो ना, कर सकते हैं। अगर आप पैटर्न पे ध्यान दोगे तो मीनिंग के बगैर आप उसको यूज कर सकते हैं, भले ही आपको ये नहीं पता होगा इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, बट आप उसको यूज तो कर ही सकते हो, राइट? आप बता सकते हो क्या गलत है। अब कोई कहे, एक तरफ ही कंस्पायर्स आपके सामने है और एक नेगेटिव सेंटेंस कोई कहे ही इजंट कंस्पायर।
Good evening, sir.
गुड इवनिंग आरती। तो कोई कहे ही इजंट कंस्पायर, तो आप क्या सही मानोगे उस सेंटेंस को?
No, no, sir.
क्योंकि पैटर्न फॉलो नहीं हुआ।
यस
ही कंस्पायर्स में पैटर्न फॉलो करने के लिए एस कंस्पायर्स में से एस हटा लेना है हमें।
He doesn't
He doesn't conspire.
संयोगिता मैम, आई वाज वेटिंग फॉर यू। मैंने वही शुरू किया जहां कल खत्म किए थे हम लोग जल्दी से, कि ये एक मैथमेटिकल फार्मूला है संयोगिता मैम, राइट? कि सब्जेक्ट ही शी इट है, उसके बाद कोई वर्ब है उसमें एस लगा रहता है हमेशा, एक सही समझ लो आप। और कोई भी, और इसके अलावा कुछ आ भी नहीं सकता, ये भी समझ के चलो आप, है ना? जैसे हम कहते हैं ही ईट्स, ही गोज, ही रन्स, इससे ये पता चलता है ही के बाद जो दूसरा वर्ड आता है वो क्या होता है दोस्तों?
Verb.
वर्ब होता है। तो कोई कोई अनजान वर्ड भी आएगा जिसको आप नहीं जानते हो, अनफेमिलियर वर्ड, तो आप यही समझोगे कि ये क्या है,
verb.
और उसमें पहचान के तौर पे क्या दिख जाएगा? एस भी दिख जाएगा हमें, ठीक है? बिल्कुल।
Yes.
और जब हमें नेगेटिव करना होगा उस एस को हटा देंगे और
Does
डजंट
not.
लगा।
Doesn't.
हाँ, क्वेश्चन करना होगा एस हटा लेंगे, डज लगा देंगे सब्जेक्ट के पहले।
Subject के पहले.
और बाकी सब्जेक्ट के साथ भी खेल सकते हैं। अगर ही कंस्पायर तो यू कंस्पायर। माय वॉइस इज सो लाउड, इम्तियाज इज सेइंग। ओके, नाउ इज इट बेटर नाउ? इज इट बेटर नाउ इम्तियाज?
यस
Okay, good. Maybe I was keeping it a little too close to my mouth. Okay. So everybody, you're comfortable with my audio?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Loud and clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
I want my camera off for 5
Yeah.
minutes, sir.
Sure, Apurva, no problems. Okay. Kashif, Mahfouz is sick. Kashif, your camera is off. Turn it on. And Sana beta, we keep the camera on unless we have a reason, okay? So in this class, the camera must be on all the time while you're studying. I want to see your face, your facial expression all the time, okay? So that जब क्लास में टीचर पढ़ाते हैं तो स्टूडेंट्स को क्यों देखते हैं पता है? When the teacher is saying something, तो स्टूडेंट उसको कैसे रिसीव कर रहा है, उसके चेहरे का रिएक्शन बता देता है, right? And when a student looks confused, then the teacher can help that student better. If you put a curtain between the teacher and the students, then the teacher become helpless because he cannot see the student's reaction. So a class where the student's camera is off is like a class where there is a curtain between the teacher and the students, and that's not going to be good. तो और खास करके इन अ लैंग्वेज क्लास, बाकी अगर मैं मैथ साइंस पढ़ा रहा हूँ तो मैं मैनेज कर लूंगा क्योंकि आप मेरी बात सुनेंगे अपनी मदर टंग में और बात खत्म हो जाएगी. बट हियर आई एम गोना टीच यू स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश, ओके? सो लेट्स कंटिन्यू. We were doing a text about a guy called Brian Law, right? He's a train driver and we were reading a text about him. और ये फार्मूला बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. ये फार्मूला खाली बी वर्ब के साथ अप्लाई नहीं कर सकते. बी वर्ब के साथ अलग फार्मूला है. ही इज हैंडसम, तो नेगेटिव करने के लिए सीधे खाली नॉट बोल दो. ही इज
He's
not
not
handsome.
Handsome.
That's all. Okay.
Isn't handsome.
Exactly. Very good. So keeping that in mind, let's continue with this here. We were reading. I did because there was there weren't enough chairs. That's why. Okay. He finishes here. Beta, in one day he does 2 or 3 journeys. अब यहाँ verb क्या है in this sentence? In one day he does 2 or 3 journeys. It's very easy to notice. Does.
Does.
Okay.
Does.
And I want to say वो एक दिन में 5 journey नहीं करता है. How do we say?
Do.
In one
Yes, sir.
day
He doesn't
In one
do
day
He doesn't
do
do
5 journeys.
5 journey.
he doesn't
Five.
do 5
5
journeys.
5
Five
journey.
doesn't
do
Yes.
5 journeys.
Okay. He finishes work at 12 noon. चलिए इसको बोलते हैं वो 12 बजे रात में काम नहीं खत्म करता. How do we say that?
He
He
finishes.
He
finish.
do-
He
Doesn't-
he
finishes.
doesn't
He doesn't finish
Does work
finish
he
work
doesn't
at
finish his
at
work
12
At 12
he
midnight.
doesn't finish
12.
at 12.
Midnight.
He
He
doesn't
doesn't finish
finish
work at
finish
12
at-
midnight.
12 midnight.
He doesn't finish work at 12 midnight. If my audio is too loud or too quiet, please let me know, okay?
finishes work 2 verb.
He finishes, finish हमारा verb है. क्या है verb? Finish, right?
finish.
कोई
Yes,
इसको
sir.
Finish.
वर्क वर्ब नहीं दिखना चाहिए यहाँ पे. यहाँ वर्क वर्ब नहीं है. वर्ब क्या है? फिनिश.
Adjective.
नहीं वो बात की चीज है. वर्क क्या है वो छोड़ देंगे. यहाँ he finishes. Subject is he. Verb is finishes. He finishes work at 12 midnight. He doesn't finish work at 12 midnight. He
Midnight.
finishes work at 12 noon. Okay. Aryan, you're distracting me. Sometimes, what's the word?
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
देखो, अगर आप अधूरे फोकस से पढ़ोगे तो आप इसको sometime ही पढ़ोगे. आपके दिमाग में sometime जाएगा.
Sometimes.
लेकिन अगर आप पूरे
Sometimes.
फोकस से पढ़ोगे तो you will read it sometimes. That is what happens when you read with half focus, half concentration. Okay? Read with full focus, full concentration. Sometimes, a lot of students, they say sometime. You know why? Because they do not have so much of concentration. They don't read carefully. They are in a hurry. Sometimes he starts late. Sometimes he starts late at 4 p.m. Sometimes he starts late at 4 p.m.
4
Okay.
p.m.
Normally he starts at 4:30 in the morning, but sometimes he starts at 4 p.m. PM means 4 in the afternoon. Okay.
Afternoon.
Yeah. At 4 in the afternoon and works until 11:30. रोकता कितने बजे है?
11:30 at night.
11:39.
तो until से रोकने का टाइम बताते हैं. क्या
Yes,
बताते
sir.
हैं until से?
रोकने का
4 p.m.
रोकने का
to
time.
11:30.
हाँ, ये बात ध्यान में
11:30 से
रखना.
पहले काम करता है उसके बाद
ऐसे नहीं बोलना ये 11:30 में काम रोक देता है.
रोक
ऐसे
देता
बोलना है. Okay. At
Yes,
4 p.m.
sir.
He starts at 4 p.m. and works until 11:30. 11:30 बजे तक वो कंटिन्यू करता है। रोकता कब है? 11:30 बजे। रोकने का टाइम, until से क्या बताते हैं? रोकने का टाइम।
रोकने का
He works until 11:30. Okay? यानी कि वर्क कब रोकता है? वर्क कब रोकता है?
11:30 at night.
ये ओके। एंड मैं फिर से बोलना चाहूंगा 2-3 मेरे स्टूडेंट्स को, धर्मेंद्र आप इस बात के लगातार गिल्टी हो। एवरी डे आई हैव टू आस्क यू टू टर्न योर कैमरा ऑन। इट इज नॉट ओके धर्मेंद्र। आफरीन, every day I have to ask you to turn your camera on, which is not okay, Afreen. You join the
No,
class
sir,
with
I
camera.
always
Uh-huh.
turn on the camera, sir.
You always turn your
But
camera on.
sometimes
Uh-huh. Sometimes you have a reason, okay? Right now your camera is off, beta. Do you have a reason?
no, sir.
Okay, please keep your camera on, CT. All right? Yeah, good to see you on the camera. Yeah, on camera. And क्या है, फिर से मैं बताऊं कि मैं लगातार कैमरे पे अपने सारे स्टूडेंट्स को देखता रहता हूं, ठीक है? कभी इधर कभी उधर, हमेशा। आई एम गोइंग टू हैव अनदर स्क्रीन, मैं एक और स्क्रीन ऐड करूंगा so that I can keep all the students on one screen and the page of the book on one screen. It's very important because I'm a language teacher, and it is a very different job from being a teacher of maths or physics or chemistry. It's a very different thing. Okay. Coming back to what we were doing. Beta, he sometimes starts late. Aryan, please stop being here. He starts late at 4 p.m., 4 in the afternoon, and works until 11:30. Babar Ali teaches until 8 p.m.
8 p.m.
It means he stops at 8, right? He stops
Yes,
at
sir.
8. So until से हम लोग किस चीज की बात करते हैं? रोकने का टाइम
रोकने
बताते हैं,
का
right? Okay. I teach until 8:30. I teach until 8:30.
8:30.
Yes, I teach until 8:30. Okay. I teach until 8:30. Sometimes he starts late at 4 p.m. and works until 11:30 at night. Sometimes he doesn't go home. Sometimes he doesn't go
doesn't
home.
go home.
क्या अभी भी कोई he isn't go home बोलना चाहता है यहाँ?
No, sir.
Sir.
He doesn't go home, right? Sometimes he doesn't go home at the end of the day. At the end of the day, he doesn't go home sometimes. Read the phrase, at the end of the day.
At the end.
No, Amit. At the end of the day. At the end. At the end. At the end. At the end. देखना नहीं है, बस आवाज को रिपीट करना बेटा. At the end.
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 At the end. At the end of the day. At the end of the day.
At the end of the day.
Okay. At the end. At the end of the day. At the end. आपको देख के बोलना ही नहीं, देखोगे कुछ और मुंह से निकल जाएगा, ओके? और सुनोगे सिर्फ बोल दो एट द एंड. At the end.
At the end of the day.
Yes. At the end. Okay. At the end of the day. The end of the day. At the end of the day. Of the day. Yeah. I have a question for all the women in the class, all the ladies in the class, girls and women in the class. Ladies, by the way, कुंवारी लड़कियों को भी ladies बोल सकते हैं, okay? Lady शादीशुदा को नहीं बोलते. Lady means a respectful word for a girl, okay? So all girls can be called ladies, okay? Ladies, I have a question for you. Do you feel tired at the end of the day?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because you work a lot, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the solution?
Relax.
A better diet.
I feel tired.
Better diet.
Yes.
That's all. You cannot stop working. You have to do what you have to do. Okay. But you can eat better.
Sir, when I do yoga in continuity, then then I don't feel like that. But
हम्म,
when I stop it, and after some time I feel tired.
अच्छा चलो
Uh,
बोलना है सब लोगों को, जब मैं योगा करना बंद कर देती हूँ, जब मैं योगा करना बंद कर देती हूँ, चलो सब लोग बोलते हैं, चलो गाइस, जब मैं योगा करना बंद कर देता हूँ या बंद कर देती हूँ, कैसे कहेंगे? When I
When I
when I
stop
stop
When I do not
stop
stop,
I feel tired.
हम्म,
When
when I
When I
stop yoga, I feel tired.
I feel tired.
When I yoga, when I stop yoga, I feel tired.
okay,
When
very good, very nice, very good. Everybody, you guys are doing amazing. अब बोलो कि जब मैं इंग्लिश बोलना कभी बंद नहीं करूंगा, I will never
I will never
will
I
never
will never speak English.
speak
Never
English.
stop
speak
speaking English.
I will never speak.
Speak English.
I
what
will
are
never
you
stop
saying?
speak
I will
English.
never
I will never stop
I will
speaking
never
English.
Speaks English.
I
अच्छा
will
मैं
never stop. I will never stop speaking to speak English.
Speaks English.
नहीं बेटा मेरे
Stop.
बच्चे,
I
एक बात
will never stop English.
I want to say something here. You see, in Babar text, we forgot to, in Babar text, we forgot to notice one line which I taught in another class. Sana beta, I'm muting you because I can hear the women around you talking. Okay, there are some women around you, they're talking, so I've muted you. Okay, guys, I said that we did not pay attention to a sentence in the group, sorry, in Babar Ali text. Let's see. देखो एक लाइन था यहाँ पे, he says, I never want to stop teaching. He doesn't want to stop teaching. क्या लिखा बेटा?
He doesn't want to stop teaching.
He doesn't want to stop teaching.
आप सब लोगों ने पढ़ा था ना?
to stop teaching.
पढ़ा था ना? लेकिन आप इसे सीखे नहीं. You didn't learn from this sentence. आपको यहाँ क्या करना चाहिए था?
I will never stop speaking English.
आप बोले हम इंग्लिश सीखना कभी बंद नहीं करेंगे.
I never stop learning English.
I will never. आतिफ करेंगे.
I will never stop learning English.
मैं कभी इंग्लिश सीखना बंद नहीं करूंगा. हम कभी इंग्लिश सीखना बंद नहीं करेंगे. I will never
I
stop.
will never
stop learning
learning English.
वेरी गुड. कुछ लोग यहाँ देख रहे हैं, वहाँ टीचिंग लिखा है तो आप लर्निंग इंग्लिश बोल रहे हैं. बहुत अच्छे. इसी को कहते हैं ऑब्जर्व करके सीखना. अदीब नाउ यू अंडरस्टैंड क्या बोलना था बेटा?
Yes, sir.
ओके. तो जब हम योगा करना बंद करते हैं, व्हेन आई स्टॉप डूइंग योगा, व्हेन आई स्टॉप
Doing yoga.
yeah
I feel bad.
right
I feel tired.
I feel tired.
okay
When I stop doing yoga,
इसकी प्रैक्टिस होनी चाहिए थोड़ी सी. ओके हम अपना टाइम बर्बाद करना बंद करना चाहते हैं.
I
Want to I want
I want to stop
Wasting time.
I want to stop
wasting time.
wasting my time.
yeah very good. I want to stop wasting my time. right हम रील देखना बंद करना चाहते हैं.
I want to
I want to
I
stop
want
I want to
watching reels.
watching reels.
watching this.
हम उससे बात करना बंद करना चाहते हैं, लेकिन हो नहीं पाता.
I want to
I
stop
I want to
I
stop
want to stop
I want to
Want
stop
talking
talking to him, talking to her,
talking to him.
talking to him, talking to her, जो भी है.
Yes, sir.
But
अब
to
पता
stop
नहीं.
talking to her, but it doesn't work.
Yeah, but it's very difficult. I miss him when I stop talking to him, right? I miss her when I stop talking to her. Okay, सब लोग के दिलों के हाल इस सेंटेंस से जाहिर हो रहे हैं, right? Okay, fine. Let's move on. तो ये सेंटेंस छूट गया था, इसीलिए आप लोग अभी थोड़ा सा मुश्किल में आए. Pay attention to that. हर एक वर्ड पे ध्यान देना. हमें टेक्स्ट में जितनी लाइंस लिखी हैं उनसे सीखना है. Okay, so Babar Ali doesn't want to stop teaching. और हम नहीं बंद करना चाहते सीखना। अब इसमें until भी लगा दे सकते, नहीं दोस्तों? कैसे बोल देंगे? I don't want to
I don't want to
stop learning English until I speak fluently, right?
Yes.
या आसान है ना? देखा, दो चीज का कॉम्बिनेशन किया, until अलग सीखे, stop का यहाँ सीखे, दोनों को मिला दिए। I don't want to stop learning until I become fluent in English, right? Does it make sense? I don't
Sir,
want to stop learning English until I become fluent.
yes, sir.
Go on. If you have another sentence, anybody. ऐसे होता है हार्ड वर्क और इमेजिनेशन का यूज। आपने दो चीजें अलग अलग पढ़ी, दोनों को एक साथ भी लेके आए कि ये अच्छा सेंटेंस बन सकता है। जब तक तुम मानोगे नहीं अपनी गलती, तब तक तुमको मारते रहेंगे। I will not stop beating you. I will not
I will
stop.
not. I
Stop.
will not stop beating you until you
Admit.
don't
Accept.
Accept.
admit your
Admit
you don't
your
your-
mistake. Your mistake. Right? Yeah. Easy?
I don't want to leave your class until I speak in fluent.
Very good. Until I speak fluently. Until I speak fluently.
Until I speak fluently.
Very good. At the end of the day, at the end of the day, at the end of the day, how many of you don't feel tired at the end of the day? Anybody here who doesn't feel particularly tired at the end of the day? Do you
I
all,
don't feel tired at
You-
the end of.
at the end of the day? Adeep doesn't feel much tired at the end of the day. Okay. He's a lucky guy. He doesn't feel very tired at the end of the day. Okay, good for him. Sulekha, your husband doesn't feel tired at the end of the day? Oh, that's lucky. He is very lucky. He doesn't feel tired at the end of the day. Normally, people feel tired at the end of the day because they work very hard all day long, especially women, you know. Women feel tired at the end of the day. Okay, at the end of the day. Sometimes he doesn't go home at the end of the day. This guy, Brian Law, he doesn't go home at the end of the day. He stays in Paris, guys. He stays in Paris.
Paris.
Yeah, he stays in Paris. He doesn't go home. कुछ समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
He has another account in Paris. Huh? One account at home, another account in Paris. He doesn't go home. If your papa doesn't come home at the end of the day, your mummy is gonna be angry, isn't it? Yeah, guys, your mummy is gonna be angry when your papa doesn't come home at the end of the day. But he doesn't come home at the end of the day sometimes. I think he has got a special account, another account in France, in Paris. The journey. Okay. Stays in Paris. Stay. Do you sometimes stay at your friend's house at night?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I do.
Oh, very good. You're lucky. Not everybody has that experience. How many of you have never stayed in your friend's house at night? Sana, you have never done it, have you? You have never stayed at your friend's house at night. I don't think you have done it. Sanyogita ma'am, do you sometimes stay at your friend's house, in your friend's house at night? Stay in, okay?
Stay.
Stay in Paris, stay in a hotel. Have you ever stayed in a hotel?
No, I haven't.
Okay, stay. All right. Sometimes when you are sick, you have a fever, and you are lying in bed with a fever, and then your friends come and they say, let's go to play cricket. And then you get up and you want to go to play cricket. Then mommy shouts, stay in bed. Don't go anywhere. What does mummy say?
Don't go anywhere.
Stay in bed. Stay in bed.
Stay in bed.
Yeah.
Don't go
Stay in
anywhere.
bed.
Yes. You have a fever. And then she talks to your friends. She says, get lost from here, you guys. Okay. All right. Now, the journey, the second part. The journey takes 2 hours, 15 minutes. The journey takes 2 hours, 15 minutes. Yeah. The journey takes 2 hours, 15 minutes. Take. The journey takes 2 hours, 15 minutes. Right?
Yes, sir.
The journey takes 2 hours, 15 minutes. And the train travels at 300 kilometers an hour. Take. The journey to Patna, the journey from Biharship to Patna takes 2 hours and 30 minutes, I think, by bus.
Yes, sir.
Right. Amit, your mic is noisy today. Yeah, thank you, Amit. The journey takes. So take is used to talk about time, right? The journey takes 2 hours, 15 minutes. In Hindi, what will you say?
जो उसकी यात्रा थी वो 2 घंटा 15 मिनट लेती थी.
Very good.
Scroll.
संयुक्ता मैम, हम लोग
Yes, sir.
जर्नी को यात्रा बोले जरूरी नहीं है, because I actually wanted your to just see how you understand the word takes. Okay, जर्नी को
Yes.
यात्रा बोलना जरूरी नहीं है. तो the journey, जो जर्नी है
Journey,
वो
जो पेरिस टू
2
लंदन
घंटा
हाँ,
15 मिनट लगता
उसमें
है।
2
और
घंटे
2
15
घंटा
मिनट
15
लगते
मिनट
हैं.
लगता था. लगता है.
लगता है. The journey
लगता
takes 2
है.
hours, 15 minutes, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. The journey takes 2 hours, 15 minutes. And the train, अच्छा चलो नेगेटिव कर लो कि 3 घंटे नहीं लगते.
The journey doesn't
The journey doesn't take
15 minutes.
3 hours.
3 hours.
अच्छा अब पूछना है कितना देर लगता है. How long?
How long does the journey take?
How long
How
does the
long
journey
does
take?
journey take? 2 hours,
How long?
15 minutes.
नहीं
So,
वो तो yes no question. Yes
15.
Zeba बेटा, yes no question. You asked a yes no question. मैंने कहा कितना.
How long
हम्म.
the journey
How
takes?
long the journey
How long
take?
does the journey take?
बहुत अच्छे अदीब बेटा, बहुत अच्छे. आपको एहसास हुआ कि आपने क्या गलती करी. ट्रायो तिकड़ी बनाना है, राइट बेटा? How long does the journey take?
Does the journey take?
देखो दोस्तों, मैथमेटिकल फार्मूला एस हटा लो और डज लगा लो. How long does the journey take?
journey take.
Right? How long does the
Yes,
journey
sir.
take? The answer it takes 2 hours 15 minutes.
Yes.
Right? Okay.
Yes.
अगर किसने पूछा तुमसे how long does this course take, तो क्या बोलोगे? How long does this course take?
8 months. This course
takes
takes 6 months.
No, 6 months is not enough. I think this
1
takes
year.
no, not 1
1
year.
year.
7
The
to 8
course
months.
takes
7 to 8
8
months.
months.
7 to 8 months.
8 months, sir.
Yeah.
8 months.
Yeah.
Course
8 months.
takes
8
8
months.
months.
The course takes 8 months.
Right. The journey takes 2 hours 15 minutes, and the train travels at 300 kilometers an hour. The train travels at 300 kilometers an hour. By the way, इसको travels नहीं पढ़ना, travels, right?
Travels. Yes, sir.
The train travels, है ना? The
Travels.
train travels at 300 kilometers an hour. Okay. The train travels at 300 kilometers an hour. Now, please tell me the Hindi of this sentence.
और ट्रेन लेता 300
जी,
किलोमीटर
सर.
प्रति घंटा की दर.
Okay,
The
sir.
train travels.
इसमें करिए माते.
किलोमीटर पर आवर
ट्रेवल करता है
चलता है।
300 किलोमीटर.
बहुत
ट्रेन
बढ़िया.
300
प्रति
किलोमीटर
ट्रेन
घंटा.
पर
की
आवर से ट्रेवल
रफ्तार
करता है.
300.
Right.
हाँ.
Kashif, do you need to go? Do you need to go, Kashif?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
Kashif. Okay, Kashif. See ya.
Bye, sir.
See ya. Bye-bye. Everybody can see Kashif is in his uniform, okay? He's in work uniform, okay? It means he's at work. Kashif doesn't have time to attend this class freely, you know. He's at work and he's attending. So whenever he gets a call, you know, he leaves the class and goes to work. And then when he gets free, he attends the class again. He's working very hard. And he told his brother Atif, Atif, first you came or Kashif came? Who joined first?
जी सर.
You joined first, and then
Yeah.
Kashif joined. Yes, exactly. Okay. Atif and Kashif are brothers. And actually, there is this guy, Atif. He's your cousin now. What's his name? The first guy who joined? Athar Numan. Athar Numan joined the class. He's a lovely boy, very nice person, But unfortunately, he was just too busy, to learn English. He just couldn't really do his best in the course. But then he recommended the class to Atif, and after Atif, Kashif joined. So this is how a good class grows, guys. Okay, I can hear some noises coming from some people's ends. You see, maybe you are not talking, but the people around you are talking, but your mic will catch all that noise, okay? So make sure that you are muted when there are people around you talking. I was just saying a good class grows organically. Organically means the teacher doesn't need to spend thousands of rupees doing, advertisement on posters and banners and stuff. The students are your best advertisement. So when one student improves, gets better, he recommends the class to another student that I improved my English here. Join the class. It's a good class, right? So the class grew organically. And I hope that in the future, this class grows organically to all different parts of India, not only Bihar. And so wherever your cousins, your relatives live, okay, if you are happy with this class, if you think you are making good improvement in this class, then recommend this class to your cousins, to your friends, in whatever city, whatever village they live, okay? They can all study online because it is an online class, but a
Hello,
different...
good evening, sir.
Hello, Shabnam. Good evening. It is a different kind of online class where you guys do not only listen to me, you can talk to me whenever you want to, not in text. You can talk to me in voice, right? Shabnam, your mic is noisy, Shabnam. Your
No,
mic
sir,
is...
mic is not charged.
Oh, that could be the reason. That could be the reason. We can hear some voices, some sounds. Okay. Not voices. We can hear some sounds, some noises. Shabnam, could you please? Yes, thank you. And let's continue. The train travels at 300 kilometers an hour. Can you guys translate the word at in this sentence? Translate the word at, everybody. The train travels at 300 kilometers an hour. Translate the word at. Read the sentence and translate the word at. It's very easy. Look at the sentence. The train travels at 300 kilometers an hour. And then translate the word at. How do you translate it? What Hindi is perfect for at here?
May.
Come again?
May.
May.
End में आखिर में.
नहीं, no.
Uh, 300 किलोमीटर प्रति घंटा से चलती.
Okay, good. Okay, well tried. Anybody else? और कोई हिंदी दिमाग में आ रही है आपके? The train travels at 300 kilometers an hour. What is the translation for at? Yes, Apurva.
चलती है 300 किलोमीटर.
ट्रेन
300 किलोमीटर
की रफ्तार से ट्रेन 300 किलोमीटर की स्पीड से चलती है.
स्पीड से चलती है.
बहुत बढ़िया, very well done. तो अगर मैं कहूँ at के लिए कौन सी हिंदी यहाँ हुई तो क्या कहोगे?
चलती है.
चलने के लिए तो travels है, चलती तो verb है, चलती तो verb है, वो तो travels हो गया.
सर के से
पता है आप लोग?
रफ्तार.
सहयोगिता मैम, आप जबरदस्त हो, आप एकदम अलग हो, आपका दिमाग इतने मतलब कि लंबे समय के बाद भी बांध नहीं पाए वो लोग, ठीक है? बाकी सबके दिमाग को लोगों ने बांध दिया है, मैं बताता हूँ. Okay, I can hear. No, mute yourselves, guys. You're not speaking. Uzma, your mic is very noisy, Uzma. Okay. I just want to tell you, देखो क्या होता है दोस्तों, मैं आपकी कमजोरियां हाईलाइट करता चलता हूं ताकि आप अपनी कमजोरियों पे काम कर सके, सोच सके कि ऐसा क्यों हुआ मेरे साथ. आपने एक छोटा सा वर्ड देखा एट, 2 लेटर का, तो आपका दिमाग एक छोटा वर्ड ही सोच रहा है हिंदी में, ठीक है? कोई कह रहा है से, कोई कह रहा है मैं, कोई कह रहा है के, ऐसे कर रहा है क्योंकि छोटा वर्ड है, राइट? तो तुम्हें क्या लगता है कोई लोग बैठ करके हिंदी इंग्लिश टेबल पे बैठ के डिसाइड किए थे कि तुम ऐसा सोचते हो कि छोटा है तो छोटा ही हिंदी होगा। सुनो, इसकी हिंदी हुई के रफ्तार से। इसकी हिंदी क्या हुई एट की?
के रफ्तार
के रफ्तार से। ये पूरी हिंदी हुई है। अगर नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो देख लो। द ट्रेन ट्रेवल्स, ट्रेन चलती है 300 किलोमीटर प्रति घंटा। अब क्या बच गया बोलना?
के रफ्तार
उसके लिए कौन सा वर्ड बचा हुआ है? कौन सा वर्ड बचा हुआ है? बात समझ में आ गई? अब समझ में आई बात? अब आप बोलो। मैं अगर बोलना चाहता हूँ कि एक बार हम और मेरी वाइफ बाइक से जा रहे थे, हम लोग ना 90 किलोमीटर की रफ्तार से जा रहे थे। वंस इट वाज मी एंड माय वाइफ ऑन द बाइक, वी वर गोइंग, हम लोग जा रहे थे, वी वर गोइंग, आगे बोलो, 90 किलोमीटर प्रति
at 90
going at 90 kilometer
easy.
We travel.
We were going at, नहीं मैंने go कर दिया, travel की जगह कोई दिक्कत? We were going at,
we going at
90 kilometers
90
kilometers an
kilometer
hour.
per hour.
90 kilometers an hour. 90 kilometers an hour. 90 kilometers
Yes, sir.
per hour an hour is
An-
the same thing.
An hour.
Okay. Per hour an hour is the same thing. No difference. Okay. Meaning wise, no difference. The train travels at 300 kilometers an hour. He drives a high speed train, right? So the train travels at 300 kilometers an hour. Got it?
Yes, sir.
All right. You know, Superman can fly at the speed of light.
Superman flight Superman flies
Can fly at the speed of
Can
light.
fly.
Superman can fly at the speed of light.
at the speed of light.
Okay.
प्रकाश की गति से।
प्रकाश की रफ्तार से।
आज जो भी बोलना है, कोई टेंशन नहीं, कोई नहीं, it's okay. All right, the train travels at 300 kilometers an hour. It doesn't go so fast in the tunnel though. It doesn't go so fast in the tunnel. You know, the train doesn't go so fast in the tunnel. A tunnel, I showed you yesterday, tunnel means surang.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Surang, yes, sir.
Yeah. When the
sir.
when the train goes in the tunnel, the speed goes down. The speed goes down.
Down.
The
yes,
speed
sir.
goes down. The speed goes down. It doesn't go so fast in the tunnel, guys. The train doesn't go so fast in the tunnel. You know, when we ride our bike on the highway, we go at 60 kilometers an hour, we go at 70 kilometers an hour, sometimes we go at 80 kilometers an hour or on a 4-lane road. But when we ride our bikes in the street, in the narrow streets, we don't go so fast. We don't go so fast. Do we go so
Yes,
fast,
sir.
guys? 70, 80 in a narrow street?
No, we don't.
Never. We don't go so fast. Okay. The train doesn't go so fast in the tunnel. The train doesn't go so fast in the tunnel. It only goes at 160 kilometers an hour.
Yes,
It
sir.
only goes at 160
160
kilometers an hour. Okay, it only goes at 160 kilometers an hour when it travels through the tunnel. When it travels through the
Through the tunnel.
through the tunnel. Okay. Okay, tell everybody, mute. Don't talk. You are distracting me so much. Okay, I'm reading the text. Mute yourselves and talk with your mic muted. When you want to talk to me, then unmute yourself and talk to me. Otherwise, this distraction is very hard for me. Very, very, very hard for me. Trust me, I've got only one problem. I can't handle noise. Okay. Everything else is fine, but I can't handle noise. It irritates me so much. I'm very glad that my house is inside, you know, not on the road. It is inside and we don't get to hear the road traffic. I can't handle it. It's very, very difficult for me. Okay, so I was saying the train goes at 160 kilometers an hour, nearly half the speed, just a little above half the speed, 300, 160, when it travels through the tunnel. When it travels through the tunnel, repeat the phrase.
Through the tunnel.
Guys, nowadays, government has decided to send supply water to us, right? We don't need our own boring. We have water coming to our house through
the Tank to the
through pipes, right? Through pipes,
pipes.
right?
Yes.
Yeah. Nowadays we get water in our house through pipes, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
In the past, it was not possible. About 1,000 years ago, about 200 years ago, 300 years ago, it was not possible. Even the kings and the queens could not get water through pipes.
Yes, sir.
They had to, their servants had to bring water from the well, from the
Well, yes, sir.
river. Yes. Okay. Guys, have you ever entered your house through the window?
No, sir.
You've never
No,
done
sir.
that? Okay. Well, I cannot because my windows are very secured, with those old-fashioned bars, so it's not possible. But I have a friend, he sometimes entered his house when he was young through the window because his parents were very strict, you see. So, Anshu beta, through the window, समझ में आ रहा है बेटा? Through the window?
Yes, sir.
मतलब हिंदी में क्या बोलेंगे? विंडो से, right? विंडो से होके,
Window से।
right? Okay. When it travels through the tunnel, through the pipe, when you go through the jungle, when you go through the jungle. Okay, कोई भी चीज थी through बोलने का मतलब, let me try and draw something for you guys. I'm drawing. Take a look. ऐसा कोई चीज है बेटा, okay? और इसके साथ ऐसे through, right? Through.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
के द्वारा।
Okay. Yeah. कौन बोला ये? संयोगिता मैम, आपने कहा क्या? अपूर्वा?
नहीं अपूर्वा नहीं।
देखो बच्चों, अगर आपने पुरानी नॉलेज अप्लाई करने की कोशिश की, आप फंसोगे। जिसने भी बोला है कोई बात नहीं, डिफेंसिव मत होना, बस ये समझाना है। मैं अक्यूज नहीं कर रहा किसी को, समझाना चाह रहा हूँ आपके हित में। अगर मुझे के द्वारा बोलना आता, जरूरत समझ में आती, तो मुझे नहीं बोलना आता था के द्वारा, मुझे बता दो।
Yes, sir.
फिर मैंने क्यों नहीं बोला के द्वारा आपके सामने, और मैं ये ड्राइंग क्यों बना रहा हूं, तुम ही बता दो मुझे। तो प्लीज बेटा, follow my lessons, understand what I'm saying. You want to grow, okay? You don't want to be a
Yes.
parrot, okay? के द्वारा, all right. आप जंगल के द्वारे जाते हैं?
जंगल से
जंगल
जाते
से
हैं।
होकर जाते हैं।
जंगल से होकर
जाते हैं, जंगल
तो
से
किसने
जाते हैं।
सिखाया के
जंगल
द्वारा?
से
क्यों
होकर।
सिखाया के द्वारा? क्योंकि उसके टीचर ने उसको चिपकाया था के द्वारा, वो बेचारे ने तुमको चिपका दिया के द्वारा। अब तुम चिपकाओगे दूसरों को के द्वारा, और करते रहो के द्वारा के द्वारा के द्वारा, और फिर
आप बता दिए जंगल से।
एल द्वारा हो जाएगा थोड़ी देर में, फिर एम द्वारा हो जाएगा, फिर पी द्वारा हो जाएगा, पता नहीं क्या क्या हो जाएगा दोस्तों। के द्वारा क्या था ये? के द्वारा ये है चिपकाऊ नॉलेज, ओके? टीचर्स पास करते आ रहे हैं, अपने स्टूडेंट को वो बताते हैं, वो जिस दिन टीचर बनता है वो वही चिपकाता है अपने स्टूडेंट को, कोई सीखता ही नहीं है कि अरे भाई कुछ सीख ले हम लोग। अच्छा बताओ बेटा, आप लोग कभी जंगल के द्वारा जाते हैं कि जंगल से होके जाते हैं? बातचीत में आप क्या बोलते हैं?
जंगल से
जंगल से
होकर।
होकर
आप खिड़की से घर में घुसे, खिड़की के द्वारा घर में घुसे, क्या बोला जाता है?
खिड़की से।
तो भाई क्यों ये वर्ड चिपकाया आपको किसी ने? क्यों चिपकाया बताइए? क्योंकि उसके टीचर ने चिपकाया था। मैं ये नहीं कह रहा ये गलत है, क्या इससे आपकी समझ बनती है? तो कुछ बातें होती है सिर्फ बोलने के लिए कि हाँ है सही, लेकिन उससे फायदा क्या हुआ बोल के?
हैंड बंद करना,
ओके, तो प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड थ्रू, ओके? आपके आने वाले समय में आप एक लाइन सुनोगे, सुपरमैन कैन सी थ्रू द वॉल। सुपरमैन कैन सी थ्रू द वॉल। यूनिट 5 में सुनोगे ये लाइन, ओके? सुपरमैन कैन सी थ्रू द वॉल। फिर से आएगा थ्रू दोस्तों, फिर से आएगा, ओके? ताकि आप थ्रू को अच्छे से फील कर सके। अभी जो बताया ना, थ्रू द विंडो, थ्रू द पाइप, थ्रू द टनल। अब एक और सुनना, सुपरमैन कैन सी थ्रू द वॉल। अब बताओ क्या हुआ? थ्रू वॉल्स, ही कैन सी थ्रू वॉल्स, नॉट द वॉल, ही कैन सी थ्रू वॉल्स। अरे 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 अनीश 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 ऐसा ना करो। सुनो मेरी
दीवार से भी चला जाता है।
हाँ, मेरा इम्तियाज जो है ना एकदम हीरा स्टूडेंट है, हीरा, ओके? सुनो, देखो तुम लोग ना चिपको मत मेरे किसी वर्ड के साथ, महसूस करो। मैंने कहा सुपरमैन कैन सी थ्रू वॉल्स, सुपरमैन कैन सी थ्रू वॉल्स। क्या बोल रहे हो अनीश?
नो सर, आर
सुपरमैन को दीवार के आर पार
देख
चले
सकते।
जाते हैं।
बस
होकर
इतना ही तो
जाता
मिलेगा।
है।
देख ही बोल रहे हैं ना, आर पार देख सकते हैं।
सुपरमैन
देख
कैन
सकते
सी
हो।
थ्रू वॉल्स। सुपरमैन
दीवार
कैन
से
सी थ्रू
सुपरमैन को
वॉल्स।
दीवार से देख सकते हैं।
नहीं, आप
दीवार
लोग
के
बहुत
आर
गलत
पार देख
बहुत गलत
सुपरमैन
बोल रहे हैं। आप
दीवार
लोगों ने
से
सुना है?
होकर
साइलेंस। मैं आपको म्यूट करूंगा, रुको पहले। सबके सब आप लोग ओवर एक्साइटेड हो रहे हो। यू गाइज आर गेटिंग ओवर एक्साइटेड, ओके, एंड दैट्स द रीजन what who is this child? Okay, there you go. अब सब लोग शांत से सुनो मेरी बात। मैं कह रहा हूं सुपरमैन कैन सी, सुपरमैन देख सकता है। हम सुपरमैन को देख सकते नहीं कहा हमने। सुपरमैन कैन सी थ्रू वॉल्स। Superman can see through walls. Can you see through walls? If you are on this side of the wall and somebody is on the other side of the wall, can you see him through the wall? No. Light cannot go through walls. Right, guys? Light cannot go through walls. But still, Superman can see through walls. Okay, he's Superman after all. Okay, अब अनम्यूट कर लो और अब समझ जाना मैंने क्या कहा। सुपरमैन दीवार के आर पार देख सकता है। तो हर जगह अलग अलग हिंदी होती है। तो अब बताओ उस इंसान को क्या बोला जाएगा जिसने तुम्हें थ्रू देखा और थ्रू सिखाया और के द्वारा करके कहा कि अब घर के द्वारा चले जाओ। ठीक है, तो ये क्या था, क्या था, क्या पढ़ाई थी? ये तोता वो था, उसको उसके टीचर ने तोता बनाया, उसने तुम्हें तोता बनाया, और तुम तोता एहसास नहीं कर पा रहे हो कि तुम तोता बन गए। प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दैट। हम जब सिखा रहे हैं, जो चीज कर रहे हैं उस पर ध्यान दो। तुम पहले से क्या जानते हो उसको एक साइड करो, और अभी जो बताया जा रहा है उस पर ध्यान दो, और कंपेयर करके देख लेना। अगर मैच कर जाए तो बहुत अच्छी बात, ना मैच करे तो मेरी बात पे ज्यादा ध्यान देना। ऑलराइट, बिकॉज आई एम टीचिंग यू प्रैक्टिकल इंग्लिश, इंग्लिश दैट यू नीड टू स्पीक। Okay, I'm not teaching you how to memorize words and sentences. Guys, the train goes slowly, only at 160 kilometers an hour when it travels through the tunnel. Okay. It carries 794 passengers. Okay, I have a question for you. How brave are you all? Can you go through a graveyard in the middle of the night?
Graveyard.
Yeah, can you go through a graveyard? A graveyard means, dosto, where bodies are, buried, dead bodies are buried. Okay, after death, they put the dead bodies under the ground. That is called burial ground, graveyard. Okay, burial ground, graveyard, kabristan. Can you go through a burial ground, a graveyard in the middle of the night alone?
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
I
sir.
can go.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right.
Yes, sir. I can go.
Oh, you're very brave. Well, I don't have a problem with these things. Okay, I can feel scared of the dark, but I'm not scared of ghosts or these things. So I can easily go through a graveyard in the middle of the night alone, no problems. Okay, can we continue now? It carries 794 passengers. The train carries 794 passengers. All right. It
Yes, sir.
carries 794 passengers. It means
Train.
The
the train, the
Train.
Eurostar train, the Eurostar train, the
The
Eurostar train,
Star Train.
right? It carries
Yes.
794 passengers. Okay, everybody knows carry means. Carry means, dosto?
ढोना
ले
ढोना
सब
जाना,
एक
ले
साथ
जाता
बोले।
ले
है।
जाना,
हाँ,
ले
बहुत
जाना।
बढ़िया,
पर ले
बहुत
जाना,
बढ़िया,
ट्रेन
बहुत
पर ले
बढ़िया।
जाना।
Okay, now let me, no, not necessarily. Let me help you. Let me help you. Okay. Some students do not carry the tiffin box to school. Some students do not carry the tiffin box to school. They buy samosas or they eat chaat outside the school, right? They don't carry the tiffin box, right? Any problems?
No, sir.
Let me make another example. Some bad students carry mobile phones to school, although their teachers stop them, right, and have told them that it is not acceptable, but still they carry mobile phones to school. Okay, girls carry their lipstick in their bag, no?
Yes, sir.
And do you also carry spray, paper spray? Anybody here carries paper spray when they go out in their bag? No?
Sir.
Yes?
No.
Okay.
No.
Do you feel the need to carry paper spray?
What is paper?
Paper spray. Come
Paper
on. You know, when somebody misbehaves with you, tries to bother you a little too much, then you spray the pepper into their eyes, onto their face, and they say, Maya Babu, they suddenly, yeah. Then they suddenly remember all their gods, okay? Okay, that is pepper spray. Okay, carry. Some boys carry knives to my class. Some boys carry guns to my class. You know why? For my,
Yes, sir.
yeah, for my protection. They say, sir, we want to give you protection. So they carry guns to my class. Okay, fine. This train carries 794 passengers, and Indian trains carry as many passengers as can get on. No?
Yes, sir.
No limited number. No limited number. As many passengers as can get on. Aja bhai, Aja, if there is no place, go onto the roof. Sit on the roof. Okay.
ऊपर में बैठ के चला
Yeah,
जाता है.
exactly. They can sit onto the roof as well. It's very dangerous. I have never done it ever in my life. I've never sat on the roof of the train. I have sat on the roof of the bus, but not on
Yes,
the
sir.
roof of the train. It's very dangerous, too dangerous. The train, goes very fast, yeah. The bus wala is a man who knows that there are some people sitting onto the roof. He will take care of it, but the train driver will not take care, okay? He did not ask you, bhaiya, sit on the roof. He did not say that. The bus driver told you, bhaiya, give the half fare and go onto the roof. So have you ever traveled onto the roof of the bus?
Yes, sir.
I've done it with my students. We were 30 people and it was great fun. We were making so much noise. Okay, it carries 794 passengers. Okay, next. When the train is in France, okay, students, I want to tell you, is can be translated in different ways in Hindi, okay? Is, be verb, can be translated in different ways in Hindi. Just translate this much. The train is in France. Translate this. The train is in France.
जब फ्रांस में ट्रेन होती
Excuse
है
me,
Say.
ma'am, you did not hear me. You did not hear me. I have selected the train is in France, and I want you to translate only this part. The train is in France.
ट्रेन फ्रांस.
ट्रेन फ्रांस में होती है.
फ्रांस में है.
ट्रेन फ्रांस में है. अरे भाई, I did not select when. Whoever is translating when, I have not selected when. I am saying the train is in France.
ट्रेन फ्रांस में है.
Very good. The train is in France. अब अभी यहाँ इसके ट्रांसलेशन जो तुमने किया ना, अब उसको ध्यान रखना. अब बोलो, when the train is in France. Say it in Hindi.
जब ट्रेन फ्रांस में होती है.
कुछ लोग की हिंदी बड़ी खराब है संयुक्ता मैम. यहाँ वो कह रहे जब ट्रेन फ्रांस में है.
ट्रेन फ्रांस में होती है.
संयुक्ता मैम, what do you think of those people who say जब ट्रेन फ्रांस में है?
जब ट्रेन फ्रांस में होती है.
Okay, अब बोलो, when I'm hungry,
जब मैं भूखी होती हूँ.
when I'm hungry, I shout a lot. When I'm hungry, I
जब मैं
shout a lot.
भूखी होती हूँ तो बहुत चिल्लाहट करती हूँ.
Yeah. Do you also shout when you're hungry, guys?
No,
No, sir.
I shout at my wife when I'm hungry.
No, sir. When I feel hungry, I didn't get food.
ये didn't कहाँ से आए मेरे बच्चे? अभी तो आपने पढ़ा है कि जब मुझे खाना नहीं मिलता है
Sorry,
तो
I
थोड़ा सा बैलेंस करे, चेक करे अपने आप को, है ना, बोलने से पहले। अच्छा, इतने सारे लोगों ने किससे पूछ के कैमरा ऑफ करा? सो मेनी पीपल। मैं हटा दूं इन लोगों को, डाल दूं वेटिंग रूम में? मैं
Yes,
एक
sir.
सेकंड में कर दूंगा, एक सेकंड में।
Yes.
इन 1 second I'll put them all in the waiting room, trust me.
Yes, yes,
You did
sir.
not ask me to turn off your cameras, guys. Please don't do that.
Aarti.
आरती को
Yes,
हटा
sir.
दूं, है ना? आरती को हटा देता हूँ।
Yes.
ओके,
सर
यस। कल ही तो फी भेजा इसने, आज ही हटा दूं इसको? अच्छा लगेगा? हैं?
नो सर
Yes, sir.
नहीं, 2-3 दिन होने दो, उसके बाद हटाते हैं। पैसा भी
Yes,
नया
sir.
नया आया
Yes,
है ना?
sir.
यस।
10-12 दिन हो गया सर
महफूज।
10-12 दिन हो गए काशिफ।
जी सर।
Have you been counting? Have you been counting, Kashif?
Yes, sir.
Oh my goodness.
Why?
Why? Sohani is asking why. Okay, guys.
Maybe,
Aarti is
sir,
married.
maybe,
Aarti is married, guys. Aarti is married. बाकी
maybe
ध्यान रखना इस
he
बात
is
का।
jealous to me.
Jealous of you.
Yes,
Jealous.
sir.
अच्छा, आपसे किस बात का jealousy?
सर कि
Because he is
कैमरा
married.
ऑफ है तुम्हारा और
हमारा
हमसे
on.
नहीं बोल रहे थे।
ओके। तो टेल मी वन थिंग, अगर मैं सबके कैमरे ऑफ करवा दूं तो आपका क्या फायदा होता है लोगों का? आप लोगों का क्या फायदा? इफ आई अलाउ यू गाइस टू टर्न योर कैमरास ऑफ, देन हाउ डज इट हेल्प यू? टेल मी। बोलो सर, हम लोग मस्ती कर पाएंगे। ओके, मस्ती करना है, इंग्लिश सीखना है?
इंग्लिश
तो
सीखना है।
इंग्लिश सीखने में हेल्प होगी या कम भी प्रॉब्लम होगी? इफ योर कैमरा इज ऑफ, थिंक हार्ड एंड आंसर
Problem.
ऑनेस्टली।
Problem होगी.
When your camera is on, you guys know your teacher is watching you and you guys are fully focused because of that. When your camera is off, you guys relax. Oh, camera is off. Nobody can see me. Okay. I won't allow that.
But I had problem, sir.
Yes. Aarti, you have a problem and I
What?
know. And that's why.
Yes, sir.
Aarti's problem is she will turn her camera on in a couple of days. She's got some problem with her eyes. That's why her
Yes,
camera.
sir. Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, so honey, talk to me after the class. All right. Don't tell everything here in the class. Guys, where were we?
When the train is in the France.
When the train is in France, जब train France में होता है, when the train is in France, Brian speaks to his controllers in French. Brian speaks to his controllers in French. Yeah, Brian speaks to his controllers in French. When the train is in France, Brian doesn't speak to his controllers in English.
Yes, sir.
He speaks to his controllers in French.
French.
His French is very good. His French
Yes.
is very good, guys. He has a lot of French friends. He has a lot of French friends. And his son Toby goes to stay with them in Paris. His son Toby, whose son?
Toby.
Brian's son, sir.
Kiska beta?
Brian's
Brian's son.
Brian's
son.
His son Toby goes to stay with them. Them who?
His
Brian's
friend.
Brian's
Friend.
Brian's
French
French friends. Brian's
Yes,
French
sir.
friends.
Friends.
That means Brian's French friends. Brian ke French those, right?
Sir.
That means Brian's
sir.
French friends. He goes to stay with them in Paris. It means dosti is gehra, right?
Yes.
Because his son Toby goes to stay with them. Well, that's
Yes, sir.
interesting. Okay, Brian. Afreen. Poor girl. All right. He has a lot of French friends. Who has a lot of French friends?
Baron.
Brian.
Brian, sir.
Brian has a lot of French friends. Okay. And Brian's son Toby goes to stay with his friends in Paris. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Brian earns 45,000 pounds a year. He earns 45,000 pounds a year, which is nearly 45 lakh rupees a year. Okay.
Yes,
He
sir.
earns nearly 4 lakh rupees a month. 4 lakh rupees a month, nearly. Brian earns
Yes,
45,000 pounds a year.
Yes.
In his free time, he likes going out with his wife, Angela. He likes going out. He likes going out.
Out.
Yeah, he doesn't like watching TV. Okay, he likes going out.
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 Going
yes, sir.
out with his friends.
Yeah.
Does he like going
His
out with his
wife.
friends? No,
No,
he
sir.
likes going
His
out with his
wife.
wife.
Likes going out with
Angela.
his wife.
I think he's a
Angela.
good husband. I think he's a good husband. No.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. फालतू में हम लोग बोल रहे थे he has another account in Paris, huh? That was totally unnecessary, huh? He doesn't have any other
Yes,
account.
sir.
He loves his only account, Angela account, right? He likes going
Yes.
out with his wife, Angela. Okay, but in
Very
India,
well.
in Bihar Sharif, husbands don't like going out with wives, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
They don't really like it. When the wives force them, then they take their wives. Otherwise, they want to go alone. They want to go out with their friends, but not with their
No,
wives.
sir. Aarti's husband.
Always
uh,
likes going out with her.
Yes, sir.
Oh, lovely, very nice. I saw a photo. Aarti, have you changed your DP? Is it your husband in the DP with you?
Yes, sir.
Aarti, how old are you? In that DP, you look like a little girl, you know. Guys, check out Aarti's DP with her husband. She doesn't look like Aarti we know in the class. She looks like a little girl, 14, 15-year-old. How old were you when you got married? 15 or 16?
21, sir.
You were 21 when you got married.
Yes, sir.
But you don't look like 21 in that photo. You look like a kid.
Using filter, sir.
It was a child marriage. Kashif, what did you say?
Using filter.
Using filter. She's with her husband, no filter. Okay. No, I don't think she's using a filter. She looks very childish, childlike. Okay. She looks very, she has got that, that extra chubby cheeks, when you're a young kid. Now, 14, 15-year-old girls, they have extra chubby cheeks. And as they grow older, their cheeks become sharp. Okay. But when they're kids, their cheeks are round. Have you seen, all these actresses, when they were kids, they had big cheeks, round cheeks. So in that photo, she looks like a kid.
Yes,
Anyways,
sir.
she was 21. Wow. And how long have you been married, Aarti? 2 years.
2 years.
So now you're 23. Wow. Great. Work hard and you will have a great career, Aarti. Okay. You're a smart girl and work hard for your English and whatever other things you're doing.
Yes, sir.
Brian earns 45,000 pounds a year. In his free time, he likes going out with his wife, Angela. Going out means, guys, going to restaurants, going to parks,
sir.
going to the
Going
cinema,
to cafe,
going to
shop.
cafes, going shopping. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
absolutely. He likes going out with his wife, Angela, and walking their dogs. He also enjoys walking their dogs.
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 Angela
Dogs.
is a chef. Angela is a chef. Everybody
Chef.
knows a
Chef.
chef. A chef.
Yes.
Yes.
Angela is a
Yes, sir.
chef.
Chef.
So she works at weekends too. Because she's a chef, she also works at weekends.
Weekends.
Weekend too.
Yeah, she
Weekend
works
too.
at weekends too. So weekends means, guys, Saturdays and
Saturdays and
Sunday.
Saturdays, Sundays,
Sunday.
right? She works at weekends too. Angela works at weekends too.
Weekend too.
Right. Okay. In some jobs, people work at weekends, right? For example, waiters work at weekends, chefs work at weekends. Who else? Cinema operators work at weekends, right? Because
Right.
people go to cinema halls mainly at weekends. They go to restaurants at weekends, right? Yeah. Sana, you're being distracted, Sana. You're talking to other people, huh? While you are in the class, just focus on listening to me. Do not talk to anybody else. Okay. If you have distraction in your house, find a nice quiet corner where nobody comes. Okay. The bathroom can be a good option as well. Nobody will enter. Okay. Lock it. Angela is a chef. Yeah, I mean, anywhere where you can find some privacy, some alone time and listen. Okay. Angela, notice that Zeba doesn't get disturbed. Zeba, nobody disturbs you when you are here in the class. Nobody comes to your
Yes,
room.
sir.
Wow, how lucky you are. Okay. Okay, by the way, Angela is a chef, so she works at weekends too. But I don't work at weekends. I'm a teacher. I don't
Yeah.
work at weekends. She has
Yes.
Monday free. She has
Monday
Monday
free.
free. She has Monday free. What a nice sentence. She has Monday free. Okay? Yeah, she has Monday free. And you, Kashif,
I have Sunday
yes,
free.
Sunday.
you have Sunday free.
I
Only
have-
Sunday? Only Sunday?
Yes. Yes,
I
sir.
have all day free.
No, you're not getting it. You're not getting it. That's another
I
thing. That's
have
another.
Sunday
You-
free.
Suhani got it wrong. I need to help Suhani. Suhani said, I have all day free. Sorry, Suhani, you can say, I have all days free, every day free, all days. I have the whole week
I'm
free.
always
I am always free is another sentence. Very interesting. Okay.
yes, sir.
Now listen to me. My sister's husband has Mondays free. He has Mondays free. It means his shop is closed on Monday. He doesn't work on Mondays. Okay. But
Yes.
my Mamaji who lives in Danapur, he has Tuesdays free. He has Tuesdays free. Okay. And I have Sunday free like everybody else. Okay. But this woman, she's a chef. She works at weekends. She has Monday free and goes walking with Brian. Goes walking with Brian. Both the
Brian.
husband and wife love walking with each other. That's really nice. You know, he has 25 days of holiday a year. He has 25 days of
25
holiday
days.
a year.
Holiday.
Every year he gets 25 days of holiday. In
Yes,
these
sir.
25 days, he can go wherever he wants. He can stay at home. He can do whatever he likes. He has 25 days of holiday a year. Where does he go on holiday?
France, of course.
France, of course.
France,
France,
of
of course, says Brian. Where does he go? France, because he has a lot of French friends, right? His favorite
Mm.
place is France. He loves speaking French. He drives the train to France. So he spends his holiday in France too. So that was the
Yeah.
text. Now time to do the exercises, everybody. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so you have to decide which of these sentences are true and which of them are false. So you're going to respond. He works 5 days a week. Respond.
He
Wrong.
doesn't.
He doesn't
He
work
doesn't
He
for
doesn't
work
work
5 days
5 days a
a
week.
week.
I
He
will
works
work
4
He works 4 days a week.
4 days a week.
Right.
4
So
days.
you do not want to be in a hurry when you're speaking, okay? You want to take a deep breath and speak slowly like this. He doesn't work for 5 days a week. He works 4 days a week. You are a learner, okay? Take your time. You don't want to speak like a fluent speaker. If you were a fluent speaker, you wouldn't be here, right? If you are here, it means you're not a fluent speaker. Accept that reality. And do not
Yes,
let
sir.
it hurt your ego. Do not let it hurt your ego. इस बात से आपके ego पे hurt नहीं होना चाहिए. Take
Yes,
your
sir.
time and speak slowly. No problems. Sometimes he doesn't work at weekends. Is that true? Sometimes he doesn't work
Yes,
at
sir.
weekends. Yes, written.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes he's free at weekends, but normally he works on Fridays and Saturdays. Sometimes he doesn't work at 3. Eurostar trains run 365 days a year.
No, false.
It doesn't.
You start
मेरे बच्चे
doesn't
आप इसको
run
it ना बोलो,
series.
it ना बोलो, please, please.
Yeah.
Eurostar trains.
Start
Euro
train
train
doesn't
doesn't run
Train doesn't run
365 days a year.
Guys, you
He runs-
easily forget what I teach you, okay? Pay attention. Singular or plural? What is it?
Yes.
Trains is plural. Why are you saying doesn't?
Yeah.
Why are you saying it? Please
Eurostar
say
trains
they.
run.
Please say they.
Oh,
Trains,
they.
plural. They. to say they don't run 365 days a year. All right.
They run 364
They
days a year.
65 days.
It's better to say it a little differently. Please let me just speak more naturally.
65 days. They don't run 365 days a year.
Days a year.
Because
They run 364.
No, stop.
So-
Okay, stop. Guys, why do you think you will speak with a formula all the time? Natural conversation does not follow a formula, okay? So when somebody says Eurostar trains run 365 days a year, if somebody says to me, hello, shut up, everybody, and let me speak, and you listen quietly, nicely, okay? Eurostar trains run 365 days a year. If somebody says that to me, I'm not going to follow a formula to respond. I'm going to respond in a natural way. I'm going to say, no, they don't run 365 days a year. They don't run on Christmas Day. I will add this. I will not teach him counting 364 days a year. I'm not going to do that. That's very unnatural. I'm going to only say, no, they don't run 365 days a year because they do not run on Christmas Day. Understand? So I will say this. You guys are doing the Eurostar trains don't run 365 days a year. They run 364 days a year. ये कौन बोलता है? ऐसे कब बात की तुमने भाई किसी से? तो बात करने के तरीके से बात करो प्लीज. Always feel that you're talking to someone. तुम प्रैक्टिस में ना भूल जाते हो दुनिया में बात कैसे करते हैं लोग. Please always try to speak naturally. Your decisions, what words you need, which turning you need to take, कौन सा turn लेना है बातचीत में, ये सब तुम्हें naturally सीखना होगा, okay? Not through a formula, my dear students, okay? Just अंदर झांकना कि तुम ये बात कैसे बोलोगे किसी को. The first train to Paris leaves before 5 a.m. Respond, please. Somebody says to you, the first train to Paris leaves before 5 a.m. Respond, everybody.
Yes.
No, it doesn't leave before 5 a.m. It leaves at 5:25 a.m.
5:25.
देखो फिर गड़बड़ हो रही है दोस्तों. और इस बार गड़बड़ी इंग्लिश की नहीं हो रही है. इस बार गड़बड़ी तुम्हारे इमेजिनेशन की कमी. कोई तुमसे अगर ये बोलेगा द फर्स्ट ट्रेन टू पेरिस लीव्स बिफोर 5 a.m. तो तुम क्या बोलोगे?
The first train.
No, doesn't.
First train do not.
First train start leave London at 5:25.
5:25.
Okay, dear students, tell me which word is making this sentence wrong? Which word is making this sentence wrong?
Before.
Change the word before. Change the word before.
After.
That's all.
After.
Just say no. The first train to Paris doesn't leave before 5. It leaves after 5.
It's after 5.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I have a suggestion. I know you guys enjoy communication of this kind. I know it's a very good class where you guys have full freedom to speak whenever you want. But remember, if you guys were sitting in a classroom and if you were all speaking, it would be much, much easier. But because you are speaking through your mic, okay? And that's why when I'm speaking and you are also speaking, some students cannot hear me. All right. So it's better when I'm responding, you all listen. And when I ask you to speak, then you all respond. Okay. I hope you understand. When I'm speaking, you listen. Okay, beta, all of you. And when I'm quiet, you guys speak so that people can get good practice. The first train to Paris doesn't leave before 5. It leaves after 5 at 5:25. अब समझ में आया? अच्छा लगा ऐसा बोलना? Natural लगा?
Yes, sir.
Try this.
Yes, sir.
Try this.
The first train to
Go slow.
After 5. After 5.
It leaves after 5 a.m.
Very good, Imtiaz. You are very slow and very good. I like people who speak slowly. Let me tell you.
First train to Paris doesn't leave after 5 a.m.
What are you saying? It doesn't leave after 5 a.m.? I think it leaves after 5 a.m. You're messing up.
Before 5.
Doesn't leave
First train to
Doesn't
Paris
leave after 5.
doesn't leave before 5 a.m.
before
It
5.
leaves after 5 a.m.
At 5:25. No?
It leaves after
Yes,
5.
sir.
Yeah, it leaves after 5 at 5:25, right?
Yes, sir, at 5:25.
Yeah. So guys, I'm saying don't mess up. Mess up करना होता है उठपटांग गलतियां करना. Okay? जैसे किसी ने अभी बोल दिया, अनीश ने, the first train doesn't leave after 5. ये तो mess up करना हो क्या? वो तो खुद ही नहीं महसूस कर पा रहे क्या बोल रहे हैं. तो थोड़ा स्लो बोलो, थोड़ा सुन के बोलो, महसूस करके बोलो. कोई स्पीड की प्रैक्टिस नहीं हो रही कि कौन पहले बोलता है. देयर इज नो कंपटीशन. ओके, टेक योर टाइम, speak slowly, take your time, totally no problems. If you
Yes,
speak
sir.
slowly, I'll be happy actually, because slow बोलना ज्यादा मुश्किल है अभी फिलहाल. आप लोग जल्दी बोलते हो क्योंकि आपको लगता है उससे थोड़ा से बच जाएंगे. स्लो बोलने में आपको सोच सोच के बोलना होता है, and that is better practice. Okay, number 5, he does several
He
journeys
does.
every day.
He doesn't do several
He
journeys
doesn't.
every day.
He
He
doesn't.
does
Several
2 or
journeys.
3 journeys every day.
He does.
It doesn't. It doesn't do more journey every day.
Sir,
It doesn't.
Thank you,
this
thank you very
it
much.
Doesn't.
Uzma, your mic is noisy, I think. Yes. Okay,
Sir,
now let me help you guys.
this is
It doesn't more
sir,
days.
he does save journeys
More
every day
Several
because he do 2 to 3 journey. s-
2
2
to
or
3
3.
journeys, not journeys. Okay, journeys,
Yeah,
not journey.
2 to 3 journeys. So we can
every
say
day.
several
Okay.
journey.
Okay, everybody, let's understand. Several means more than 2. Okay, several
Yes,
means
sir.
Yes,
more
sir.
than 2.
More
More
than
than 2.
So now tell me, number 5 is true or false in your opinion?
True, sir.
It is not. It is
It
not.
is not true.
And which word or phrase is making it untrue?
Several.
No,
Several.
no, no. Several means more than 2. So several means more than 2. So 3 is definitely more
Every
than
day,
2.
sir. Every day.
Every day is making it wrong because he does 2 or 3 journeys.
Yeah.
It means
Yes, sir.
sometimes he
Sometimes.
doesn't do several journeys. Sometimes he does only 2 journeys, right? So he does
Yes,
not
sir.
do several journeys every day. He does
Every
several
day.
journeys, but not every day. Some days he does only 2 journeys. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
Yes.
He does several journeys, but not every day. He doesn't do several journeys every day. Sometimes he does several journeys and sometimes he does only 2 journeys a day. So we cannot say he does several journeys every day. Every day is the problem here, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
He does several journeys. तो क्यों mess up किया पूर्वा फिर से? Several क्यों गलत लगा तुम्हें? Several से क्यों बता दिया? Several गलत बात है यहाँ पे. 3 तो होता है bigger than 2. Several means bigger than 2. तो
Yes, sir.
stick करो logically. रुक के बोलो, सोच के बोलो. Okay? Number 6.
Okay, sir.
Brian starts work very early every day. Now,
Yes, sir.
do you think this sentence is true or false?
True,
No,
sir.
True or false?
false, sir.
True.
False. False.
False.
Whoever is saying true is messing up big time. जो भी इसको true बोल रहा है वो big time mess up कर रहा है, mess up कर रहा है, उल्टा पुल्टा कर रहा है. इंग्लिश की गलती नहीं कर रहा दोस्तों, mess up कर रहा है पूरा, एकदम उल्टा पुल्टा हो रहा है. हम लोग को सबको पता है, right, that he starts work at 4:30 in the morning, but then sometimes he starts late. Sometimes he starts late. It's written. Sometimes he starts late at 4 p.m. फिर क्यों आप बोलते हो he starts work very early every day? True है. क्यों आप ऐसा बोलते हो? इसका मतलब आप mess up कर रहे हो. अब सही है? False है. Now which word is making it false? Which phrase is
Every
making
day.
Every day.
Every day.
Every day. नहीं.
it?
Yes,
Every
yes.
day.
Very early.
Very early.
क्या very early नहीं है? 4:30 is not very early.
No, sir.
4:30 in the morning. 4:30 is not very early.
Every
Every
day.
day,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Every day इसको wrong कर रहा है.
तो प्लीज अप्रिशिएट दीज थिंग्स, इन सब चीजों को महसूस करा करिए। आप लोग हड़बड़ी में होते हो इंग्लिश सीखते समय, ओवर एक्साइटेड होते हो, नॉट गुड थिंग। फिर से समझो, ठीक है?
Yes, yes, sir.
देखो मैं बताता हूँ कुछ
Yes.
बात अच्छी लगे तो समझना। आप लोग के नेचर की बात बताता हूँ। आप जिसके साथ हर दिन रहते हो, आप, पापा, भाई, बहन, भाभी, इनके साथ एक्साइटेड फील करते हो? नहीं। लेकिन जब
Nice,
कोई
sir.
रिलेटिव एक आध दिन वाला आता है तो कितने खुश हो जाते हो। लेकिन क्या उसके साथ वो कनेक्शन है जो माँ बाप के साथ है?
Nice, sir.
वैसे ही जब आप ओवर एक्साइटेड हो गए इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए, ओवर एक्साइटेड उस दौरान, तो मुश्किलें आएंगी ना, तो हैंडल नहीं कर पाओगे, क्योंकि ओवर एक्साइटमेंट ना परेशान करेगा। बट व्हेन यू टेक इट नॉर्मल, ठीक है, आई एम टेकिंग अ टास्क, सीरियस रहो, पैशनेट रहो, लेकिन ओवर एक्साइटेड मत हो। ओके? क्या होता है मैं फिर से बताऊं, मम्मी पापा 4 गालियां दे दें, थप्पड़ लगा दे, भाभी उल्टा पुल्टा बोल दे, 2 दिन बाद सब नॉर्मल। वो जो एक्साइटेड करने वाले रिलेटिव आते हैं ना, उनसे एक बार बहस हो जाए ना, दोबारा बात नहीं हो पाती अच्छे से, रिश्ता उतना स्ट्रांग नहीं होता। तो ये जो ओवर एक्साइटेड हो जाते हो आप क्लास में, तो इसका मतलब क्या होता है कि आप हैंडल नहीं कर पाओगे फेलियर को, मुश्किलात को। बट व्हेन यू रियलाइज दैट आई एम डूइंग अ टास्क वेयर आई एम गोइंग टू फेस प्रॉब्लम्स, ऐसा सोचो, आई एम गोइंग टू डू अ टास्क वेयर आई एम गोइंग टू फेस प्रॉब्लम्स, मुझे मुश्किलें आने वाली हैं, गलतियां होने वाली हैं, ऐसा सोचो, तो आप एक्साइटेड पहले कम होंगे, मतलब जितना होना चाहिए उससे ज्यादा नहीं होंगे, and then you will pay more attention and you will make sure that you are not making too many mistakes. But आप लोग हमेशा ओवर एक्साइटेड हो जाते हैं, एंड इसकी एक वजह आपके स्कूल का तरीका, वो आपको कहते हैं एक दूसरे से compete करने के लिए, और ये ह्यूमन नेचर भी है थोड़ा। You somewhere inside you get that feeling that I want to answer first. Okay? Remember, doesn't matter whether you answer first or you answer last. We are not keeping records. We are not keeping records. हम लोग इस बात का रिकॉर्ड नहीं रख रहे हैं कि कौन पहले आंसर कर रहा है, कौन बाद में कर रहा है। What we really care about is, are you getting it right in your head? That's the most important thing. Whether you took 3 seconds to answer or 10 seconds to answer, it doesn't matter at first. Okay? अभी आप 10 seconds लो, धीरे धीरे वो 3 seconds पे आ जाएगा। But initially, don't try to be fast. I have already told you, I like people who speak slowly. I like people who take their time to answer, but answer more logically. So please do not mess up your answers because of hurry only, because you want to do it fast. So take your time and answer questions more, I will say, sincerely, taking your time. And you guys have another day to look at the exercises, and we will continue tomorrow. I'm going to share another page, okay, from the practice book with you guys in the group. Don't forget to do those exercises either, okay? We are going to check them all tomorrow. Okay, everybody?
Sir,
Okay,
you have
sir.
asked number 3, yeah, audio files.
Haven't I
You
shared the
sent-
audio file? Haven't I shared the audio file?
No, sir, you
Oh,
haven't.
thank you. Thank you for reminding me. Thank you for reminding me. I'm going to share the audio file right now, right away. Just give me a second. This is unit 2, right? Exercise 7, part 3. Just a second. Copy. Oh, sorry, not cut. Okay, I'm ending the class today. We'll continue tomorrow, and do enjoy doing the exercises that I'm sending in the group. Okay? Bye-bye,
Bye,
everybody.
sir.
Take care. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Bye.
sir.
Bye,
Bye.
sir.
Bye-bye.
Bye,
Bye.
sir.
Bye-bye.